Imagine you have a construction project. Private house, landed house, or a high-rise building. Your project progress will be depend on weather and also the capability of contractor and applicator. If the weather is unfavorable, the project may take longer to complete, and extended project duration can lead to higher costs. So here we offer you a solution. Conwood Beyond.